Here I have Nokia 9 PureView, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the network and internet, then to the hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can enable your hotspot. Here you can change its name. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. In advanced, you can also set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. And you can also change its AP band. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.